Hi! In this video, you will learn how to get a better focal point on desired elements in your design. You will find out different ways to do it by using Attention Insight analysis results to improve your design. I have a template with elements that are placed in a single layout. Let's see what Attention Insight results are. Clarity score is 69%. I will mark areas of interest for us later to compare. Looking at the design, I can see that the elements are placed without a clear order, and it is difficult to guess which elements should get more attention and which ones less. It lacks structure, so if a user encountered this type of web page, he would most likely leave soon after, as he would not understand what he just saw. What we can do is to set a clearer focal point, which would create a better visual hierarchy. Let's come back to Figma. I will create another artboard, and the first thing I will do is I will adjust sizes. It will help to create a stronger focal point. The heading Our Facts I will make the biggest, and the numbers I will make slightly smaller. Subheading I will make the third smaller. Now we have different element sizes, and we can see that the focus is distributed in a much better way. The heading is the strongest focal point, then numbers, following the subheadings and the text. However, the design is still not clear enough, so I will apply a grid, which will help us create a visual hierarchy. To make the heading Our Facts receive even more attention, I will move it to the left-hand side. As we read from the left, our focus naturally moves to an object on the left first. I will adjust the text columns to the center. Now, by looking at the layout, the attention first goes to the main heading, and then the text in the center. However, the columns of text are not very clear, as well as spacing is not evenly distributed. It is hard to understand whether we should focus more attention on the numbers, subheading, or the text. So I will align the texts. Let's create more negative space by spacing out the elements. We can also introduce colors, as they help to create a stronger focal point. I will color in the numbers while slightly reducing the black intensity in the text. Let's test the design now. Let's check percentage of attention of the elements and compare the two designs. Clarity score increased 1%, and headline, numbers, and subheading percentage increased too. The focus of the text got smaller, but it is okay, as it is the least important in the design. Our goal to have the most focus to the main heading, following the numbers, subheadings, and the text was reached. And by using different methods on how to increase a focal point, we created a much clearer visual hierarchy, which helps to read the design in a better way. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this video useful.